Hello, everybody. Let me introduce myself. I'm from Technical University of Košice. I'm colleague of Anna Drabelova. We are from the same department. I'm from Department of Safety and Quality Production, but I'm from the part of safety. So this presentation maybe will be a little bit different, but I hope that you will find some links and information useful for you as well. I heard today that we have, for example, Professor Nadal talks about 7 maturity levels of Industry 4.0. There is a lot of sources and information on the internet about the stages. A couple of years ago, we made a research in companies in the Slovak Republic. It was 50 companies. Some companies we visit personally and made some research and questionnaire. But we send a questionnaire to the other maybe 40 companies. So here is the 5 stages and the other inspiration for other Industry 4.0 stages is, for example, these 6. For this presentation, I choose example of these 4 companies. We try to select it by the Industry 4.0 stages and supply chain by tier. So first company is a metallurgy company. I have to say, not this is the pillars of Industry 4.0 or Industry 5.0, etc. But not every of this pillar is suitable for every company. Okay, for example, for a metallurgy production company that they are producing aluminum is not suitable for example, the additive manufacturing. It is not reliable for this company. First company is metallurgy company, production of primary aluminum from aluminum oxide, from bauxite. It is here is the findings and some from different areas. For example, for Industry 4.0, the parent company is working in the Industry 4.0 strategy, because the parent company is from Norway. So there is a lot of money for implementation of these elements of Industry 4.0. They have a lot of implementation in technology like RFID anodes, implementing the anode roads, real-time localization of transport vehicles, sensors on the gas leakage, machine-to-machine communication, digital model created for some operation, and IT security is on the high level. The insights, the implementation of the 4.0 elements is possible only in certain divisions of company. So not every division is suitable for the implementation of the elements. Automation has been implemented in the most risky activities. There is also the pilot projects on digital twin, virtual reality projects, substitute, for example, the crane worker in the dust environment. they put the crane workstation to the virtual reality, and the worker just sit in the office and manipulate with this crane in the safety environment. They are using, for example, the sensor on employees in hazardous areas with localization, and everything is connected with other systems, the localization of the employees and the vital information about this worker. The second one was a mechanical engineering company that provides a wide range of manufacturing. This consists of precision CNC machining, etc. Industry stage was 40 was 2, and this tier 2 was production of modules and components. So it is the higher level than the metallurgy company. They are using mostly digitalization or implementation of these Industry 4.0 elements, mainly in reducing material and production times. And after the implementation, the productivity was higher 10 to 15%. They are using the driving codes, high production codes. It was the findings was that also Slovakia starting to be expensive for Western markets because the quality is high, but the price for the work is also high. There are visualization in production just in paper form. They have also the motivating workers, and one of the element of Industry 4.0 it is green energy, it is smart lighting, it is focused on the energy consumption. The other findings, it is small series production. The company just produce one product, very specified product. So the mass production is not possible, I can say. So this is why is the difficult implementation of 4.0 elements into production. Just it is suitable for administration and logistic flows. The last two companies, it is OEM, so original equipment manufacturers. The first one is the rail wagon company, but the problem was that they produce a lot of wagons, I can say, but it is almost 100 different construction design and 400,000 different chassis. So the variation is big, I can say. Average annual production is 2,300 cargo rails. So also the implementation of elements from Industry 4.0 is a little bit difficult. So they have some pilot initiatives launched. The sensors are on the products. They have real-time localization and loadability. The sensors stay on these wagons in the customer. So they have a lot of information about the products. They have some M2M communication. They are using anti-collision systems in the robot workplace, etc. The findings, use of robots in workplace where common parts for wagons are produced. So they have maybe 2 robots in the whole company. It's not typical like in automotive company. They have individual production of wagons, and the results lower possibility of implementing robots, how I said. The last company is typical for Industry 4.0. It is automotive company. It is Asian car manufacturer in Slovakia. The level of Industry 4.0 or stage Industry 4.0 was on the higher level, but not every division of this company had the implementation on the higher level. So this is why the stage is just 4. And from the safety view, from the occupational safety and health, I would like to say that the employees from the Asia and employees from the Slovakia, they have a different approach to the safety, because we were there in this company, and the worker from the Asia, from the parent company, didn't follow the safety rules. So it was bad. It was bad example for Slovak workers, like bad leader example. So there was also for the beginning, when the company starting to produce car in Slovakia, there was a huge cultural differences. So from this knowledge, we have this graph or diagram where we can see the dependence on the type of production and the degree of implementation Industry 4.0 elements. When we have the unit type of production, the variability of flexibility of the change the production is very high, but the productivity is low. Also, the number of variants is it's high, but the lot size is low. So the implementation of the elements of Industry 4.0 is a little bit difficult, only in some parts for logistic, administrative, etc. So this was the metallurgy company, and the stage was 2. The Maslow company was not; it was a mechanical company, and this Maslow, it was the metallurgy company with this aluminium products, but the implementation was number 3, and the last one was the automotive company, and the implementation of these elements was on the highest level. Obviously, before the introduction, we have here, I can say, the game changer. I know it is. It can be applied, this artificial intelligence, in every type of production. So we will see in the future what will be the impact for the production. Here is the other similar diagram, which is focused on the assembly. Here is the manual assembly, hybrid assembly, or automatic assembly, and it is lower stage of production. Okay. When talking about the safety, we have to say there is also the security. This is a picture from a Pilz company, because the safety is defined that it is protect person and machines from the hazards of operating machinery, but the security is protect machines or system from unauthorized access. But sometimes if there is, for example, some hacker attack on the system, they can dangerous the people or worker in the work areas. So after this information, we create this this dependency. I call it W dependency. Here is the stage of Industry 4.0. 5 is the higher. There is a lot of digitalization, robots, etc. And the workers are not so dangerous, like where is the for example, the manual working, etc. So the safety is it is just example of percentage. The safety is only 10%, and security in the 5 level of stage of Industry 4.0 is 90%, and where the stage is 1, there is a lot of manual working. There is the safety on the highest level and the security in the lowest level. So thank you for your attention.